Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Felix Art. I'll be showing you 3D art, how to draw 3D art on your sketchbook app. So guys, this is the part 1. Now guys, this is the reference. So I will put the description on where to find this reference. It's called this movie called Luca. So guys, what I'll do here is to create a new layer. Then I'll go back to this reference, right here. Then reduce the opacity to, let's say, to 60. So now once I'm done with that, then I'll go back to this layer right here. Then I'm using the tool called paint tamperd to sketch. So now I will reduce the size to 4.0. No, let me take back to 5.0. Okay, so I'm using 6.0. Okay, I'm using 6.0. So now how to sketch. So before I start doing the sketch, then I turn on the predicted stroke, then set it to level 5 and start sketching. So now I want to draw the ear, and I'll go to this layer, to this particular layer right here. Then draw a circle like this. Then use then click on transform. So I'm going to set it here. You can see. Then I'll add this other one right here. So now once I'm done with that part, then I will merge this one here. I will just click it, then click on merge. Then use the hard eraser to erase. So guys, make sure to erase it very well. You can see, just do it the way I'm doing it in this tutorial. So now once I'm done with that part, now I will head over to this predictive stroke. Then start sketching on the clothes. then head over to this place, then add the sketch. So now once you do something like this, just make sure to, let's say you click on the link and your picture is not bright, then you can use the Remini app to make it very clear. So I'm just adding the sketch. So like that is the step 1. So once you add here also, I'm going to add something like this. I'll just draw a line here, then draw this one, then head over to the I'll draw something like this. Okay, so once I'm done with that part, then I use the hard eraser to erase. I will off this predicted stroke, then use the hard eraser to erase. So guys, once you are done with the clothes, now I'm going to create a new layer again. So now in this new layer, I'm going to use the predicted stroke. This is the new layer, then I'll use the predicted stroke to complete the hair. Like I'm going to sketch the hair. guys, once I'm done with that part, now I will close the first layer, then go back to this one to complete it. Okay, so once I'm done with that part, then I'm going to click on fill, then I'm going to tap here, then go back to the other one and open it. Sorry. So once I'm done with that other then I'm going to sketch the eyes. I'm going to sketch the eyes. So sorry. So how to sketch the eyes. I'm going to create a new layer. Let me set it here. Okay. Now I'm going to click on the predictive stroke. Then draw a circle. Then click on transform. Now I'm going to click on this on like once I click transform like this. Now once I click on transform, then I click distort, then set it like this. Okay, so once I'm done with that part, then I will click duplicate. So now it's now 2. Okay, then you go over to this first part, then you click on transform, then you take it here again. So now once you click on transform, then you click on distort, then you set it. Then you okay, once I'm done with that part, now I'm going to merge these two. Okay, then I'll create a new layer again, then to add this other eyeball here again. So like I'll use the predictive stroke, then draw a line, then click on transform. Okay, now I'm going to duplicate that circle, then take it over here. Now I'm going to click on transform again, then click on distort, then set it. Set it like this. Okay, so now once I'm done with that, then I'm going to merge each layer. I'm going to merge each layer. So now what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to let me take it back. Okay, I'm going to click on fill. I'm going to click on fill. I'm going to fill this with a black color. So now I'm going to draw the eyebrow. I'm going to create a new layer to add the eyebrow. So you draw a line like this. Then you click on fill. Now I'm going to use the hard eraser to erase this part right here. So once I click, once I'm done erasing, then I'll click on this layer right here, then click on duplicate. Then I'm going to click transform. Then I'm going to click this one right here, flip horizontal. Then I'll drag it to this side. Then I'll click the distort to set it at the right spot. So once I'm done with that place, then I'm going to merge this layer to this other one. So I'll just merge it. So now guys, what I'll do here is that I'll use this tool. I'll use this tool called hatching. Then I'll go over to this circle right here, then click color, then tap this circle, then start doing something like this. Okay, just do something like this, then go to the other side, then you repeat the same process. So now once you're done with that part, then I'm going to merge it with this with this layer right here. You can see that I opened different layers. So like, let's say the eyes, the eyebrows, the sketch will be in different layer, like the outlines will be in different layer. So now I'm going to draw the ear. Then I'll go back to this paint tamperd, then set it to, let's say, to 5.0. Then click on the predicted stroke. Then draw a line like this. So something like that. Then I'm going to use the hard eraser to erase. So now I'll head over to the nose part. Then reduce the size to 4.0. Then start drawing the nose. So you can see how I'm drawing the nose. So once you're done with this part, then use the hard eraser to erase. So now once I'm done with the nose, then I will create a new layer again, then go back to 6.0, then I'm using the creativity stroke. Let's draw a line. Okay. Now I'll use the hard eraser to erase the rough sketch. So now once I'm done with that first part, then I will reduce the size to 4.0. So now at this point I will create a new layer again. Draw this one. Then use the hard eraser to erase the rough sketch. So now once I'm done with that part, then I'm going to merge, then I'll create a new layer again. Now I'm going to draw the teeth. Draw a line like this, draw the other line, and add this one. So now I'm going to reduce the size to 2.0. So now once I'm done with that part, then I'm going to merge. Okay. So once I'm done with the sketch, I'm going to merge this one right here. I'm going to merge this. Okay. So I will leave this one aside. Like I will leave this one. I'm going to leave this one here. So now then I'm going to add the foundation color. I'm going to click the plus button to create a new layer. Then I'll close this reference. Now you go back to your copy color. Then you click on A33. Just click here. But first, I'm going to add the clothes. I'm going to use the color picker to pick from this side. So I'm going to close this reference, then create a new layer. So now we will start by adding the cloth first. Then use the hard eraser. First, I will go back to the background, then reduce it. Start erasing the colors. So once you use the hard eraser to erase, then I will go back to this layer right here. Then use the color picker to pick that A33 for the foundation. Then start adding the colors. Then use the hard eraser to erase. So now guys, this is the part 1 on 3D arts. Thanks for watching. Get ready for part 2.